So Simple Tutorial.
Good morning students. Welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. This is Vijay Singh, your social science teacher for grades 9 and 10. This is a part of T20 series where you will practice 20 MCQs. Today's topic is Electoral Politics. I will be showing you 20 MCQs one by one at an interval of 10 seconds. All you have to do is to take a pencil and paper like this. As you read the question, write the correct option in the paper immediately. At the end of question number 20, I'll come back with the answers. Okay, so you start doing the questions now. Let us check the answers now. Who among the following led the movement called the Nyaya Yudh and formed a new party called Lok Dal? The answer is Devilal, so option C is correct. Which of the options below are the demerits of the electoral competition? Both A and C, so option D is correct. In India, Lok Sabha or assembly elections are held after every 5 years, so option B is correct. An election is held to fill up the vacancy caused due to death or resignation of a member is called by-election, so option A is correct. The boundaries of a constituency in India is decided based on population, so option A is correct. What is the minimum age required to contest Lok Sabha elections? 25 years, so option B is correct. Into how many constituencies our country is divided for the Lok Sabha elections? 543, so option A is correct. The basic idea behind reserved constituencies are proper representation to the socially weaker sections of society, so option C is correct. How many seats are reserved for the STs and SCs in the Lok Sabha? 84, 47, so option C is correct. Which state has the maximum number of Lok Sabha constituencies? Uttar Pradesh, so option B is correct. Which of the following is not allowed during election campaigns? Political parties giving money to voters. This is not allowed. So option D is the correct answer. Who had given the slogan Garibi Hatao? Indira Gandhi. So option B is correct. A set of norms or guidelines which is to be followed by political parties and contesting candidates during the election time is called Model Code of Conduct. So option D is correct. A ballot paper is a sheet of paper which contains the names of the contesting candidates. So option D is correct. Which candidate is declared elected during the election? The one who secures the highest number of votes from his or her constituency. So option C is correct. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The President of India. So option B is correct. When government officials work in election duty, they work under the control of Election Commission. So option C is correct. Turnout figure means percentage of eligible voters who actually cast their votes. So option C is correct. In India, who votes in a larger proportion in elections? Poor and illiterate. So option D is correct. Which one among the following details candidates are not supposed to give in the legal declaration before contesting the elections? Medical certificate. So option D is correct. This is all, my dear students. I hope you must have enjoyed playing T20 match. Count your scores now and write me in the comment section below. In this channel, besides lessons, one short revision and MCQs, you will also get competency based questions. So subscribe to this channel and stay connected. Thank you. Jai Hind.